everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of SuccessFactors account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. Also make sure that you're inside the main homepage for SuccessFactors. To log out, you'll need to click on the human icon at the top right and in the pop-up bar, click on the log out button. Doing so will take you to the login page for SuccessFactors or SAP. To log in back again, click the human icon and follow through the instructions. That is how you can quickly log out or sign out of SuccessFactors account. If the video helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.